Hello, my name is Giggle McShiggy Wiggy. This is a tactical M4 with a... What the fuck is this thing called?
Tracer Overwatch.
Tracer Overwatch. Because it does weird things and it traces my Overwatch. Got a sight on it. This is the Slimeline Grip Pro. Because it grips your mom's pussy like I did last night. Hello, my name's Giggle McWiggleFiggle. We're gonna shoot this downrange. I'm super excited. My fucking dick is so hot right now I can't even... It's at least half chub. This is what you do when you find your wife cheating on you. Yeah! That's exactly what you do. Right? My name's been Giggle Miggle Wiggle Diggle Siggle Biggle Diggle.